Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? Today I'm here with Sunber here. The only thing I wish for the packaging was that they actually put their name on the box, because if it wasn't for this little storage drawstring bag, I would have to like try to find the invoice or something. But yeah, it's from Sunber here. I got that bag, and I got this other little drawstring bag which has like a wig cap, an edge brush and comb, a pair of 3D mink lashes, and a pair of earrings. This is today's wig, and what we have here is a 24-inch body wave 13x4 lace front wig. Now you guys see me review like 2 or 3 of this kind of body wave pattern since recently. I love it, absolutely love it, because if you like need to wear this same day, like you don't have to stress yourself all the way out to like go ahead and do fresh curls or whatever, because it comes like pre-curled basically. And look at that bounce, look at the luster, it's beautiful. It's very silky, very soft, and I really like that. It's really nice. This is how the inside looks. So I was just showing you guys that it has 4 combs in total and adjustable straps in the back, and it is pre-plucked, and it came with a center part, but it's really a free part lace front, so you can part it anywhere you feel like. I then proceeded to my regular application portion, and I'm using my Got to Be spray today. I only use the glue like when I'm going to be wearing the wig for like a prolonged period, but I must say I really love as I said, the silkiness of this wig. It was really nice, and I admired the hairline. It wasn't like, it was a decent pre-plucked look. You could definitely go in and pluck it more. I didn't, because a lot of the times what I do is I actually show you guys that you can actually wear the wigs just as they come. You don't have to do much and they'll still look good, and I pretty much just jump straight into applying my adhesive, and yeah, I use my blow dryer on cold air. Realize that from time to time people will ask me what air is it that I use. The blow dryer on cold, especially with these adhesives, it's not like long term. This can be lifted with water or any form of like liquid, so heat will just like, it won't make it stick. I've never known that yet. It has to be on cold air. So yeah, look at that. I was just really admiring the hairline right there. I was taking my time and doing it bit by bit. When I see you dancing, I'm like, hola, hola. I moved into applying an elastic band off camera, and I let that stay on it for probably like 20 minutes. I had to do something and I came back real quick, so that was really nicely melted in. That's a very essential part of the wig application, applying it with your elastic band. That really helps. That's why I don't know if you guys realize, I get a lot of elastic bands in my wig packages, because I feel like the wig companies do know it's a very essential part of application. It really helps to just melt that lace in and just help to just camouflage it even more. Of course, when you cut away the lace when using an adhesive like this, it will leave that little white cast at the front, so it's always good to go back in with a little bit of Got to Be, not too much to make it lift back up, but just the right amount, just a tad bit, and blow dry that and have it laying so it's not as casty. And so now I pretty much move into finessing the edges. I did my sideburns first. I didn't do too much. I did my swoops. You guys know I don't do like OD for the most part of my applications. I don't really do like straight out full on baby hairs. Most of the times I'll just do swoops these days, but I do have my moments. Okay, you guys definitely know I do have my moments where I feel like, yo, baby ear up everything. And I have other moments where I do absolutely no edges whatsoever, because it just depends on your mood. It depends on your preference, your mood, the occasion, whatever you feel for, just do that. Okay, so if you feel like you don't want to do any swoops when you get this wig, if you get this wig, then don't, because it does, as I said, as you guys see, it has a gorgeous hairline. So I'm using my flat iron again to curl the edges today. And listen, I'm still practicing this little method here. So I'm all done with that. I did go in and make the parting a little bit more precise, and I'm using my hot comb to kind of lay everything. And then I'm gonna work on my little front bang area here. I kind of gave it some layers to further frame my face, and I used my curling iron afterwards to get it in that nice little curl. I had to recurl this area because I did so much to the front, like the edges and stuff, so you know, that kind of played with the pattern of the curls in the front. So I went over that with my curling iron and got it nice and bouncy and curly again. But the curls, they stayed for a while because this is body wave, you know, so it's supposed to hold a curl, so it's doing what it's supposed to do. But yeah, that was pretty much it for just installing this and minimally styling it. It's a really nice wig. Definitely would recommend. Definitely would. Look at that. It's beautiful. And I kind of just took my fingers and kind of raked through the curls. After in the next clip that you'll see. Yeah. I didn't do much. I really didn't do much. I'm finally done with installation of this wig. It's my third time doing this new kind of body wave pattern. It's my third time installing a wig like it, and life doesn't get easier than that when it comes on to full-on lace front wig installation body wave. All you saw that I went in and recurl was just the front here, because, you know, after, you know, finessing the edges and everything, you know, can get a little messed up. So going back over with that, with my curling iron, just kind of, you know, polished out things, and it looks really good. Really good. I did get some shedding, but it's very minimal, so that's not too bad. I just did my two swoops, and it's looking good. It's laying nicely. The hair is silky. It feels really good. So shout out to them for sending this gorgeous wig. It is beautiful. I'm going to be sure to put the direct link to this in my description box, as well as the specifications. So if you guys are interested in getting this beautiful body wave wig for yourself, you can go ahead and do so. Just go down to my description box. You'll find all the information that you need. And yeah, that's it for today's wig look. Thank you guys so much for sticking around. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching.